Wide leg forward fold can cause a lot of strain on the back. Here's what to do to avoid that and strengthen your back instead.
For many people, wide leg forward fold is a huge strain. If you find that your wide leg forward fold looks a little bit like this, chances are you have tight hamstrings, hips, and low back. So to open those areas more efficiently, grab two blocks, place them in front of you, take your stance a little bit wider than it was before, because with a wider stance, you'll have a little bit more space to get the spine nice and straight. Bring the blocks underneath the hands and opt to keep the spine straight rather than rounding through the upper back. This is going to open the hamstrings, hips, and low back a lot more efficiently. You can try the different levels of the blocks. Eventually, you'll make it down to the floor. Once the hands make it to the floor, you can start to hinge down. To advance this posture, if the head hits the mat, then you're ready to bring the legs a little bit closer together once again, hands flat, pressing the mat forward. Coming up, be sure to inhale halfway lift, exhale hands to hips, and inhale with a flat back rather than rounding through the spine to come up. Again, this is going to help you more efficiently open the hamstrings, hips, and low back, as well as strengthening the upper back. I hope this helps you modify your wide leg forward fold for more efficiency. If you'd like to learn more about poses for your body, as well as how to have a home practice of meditation and pranayama, check out our online course called Awaken Your Truth. As always, thanks for joining. Be sure to subscribe and leave any questions in the comments. You are so loved.